Children, let's start new chapter. Chapter 7. The name of the chapter is Getting to Know Plants. Okay. So children, they are the topics of your chapter. Types of roots and their functions. Classification of plants into herbs, shrubs and trees. Stem, its types and functions. Parts of a leaf. Functions of leaves. Parts of a flower and pollination. Okay. So children, we see a variety of plants around us. Okay. Whenever we might live on this earth, be it in the hot equator region or very cold snow covered region, we will always find plants around us because plants are found everywhere. So these plants may be of different height, they may have different colored leaves, flowers or fruits. Okay, so plants may be of different height, they have different colored leaves, different flowers or fruits. So these differences are due to the different habitats. Okay, so these differences are due to the different habitat means children where they grow, where they live. Okay, and the various climate in which plants grow. However, we find that all plants have some common parts of performing specific function. So the structure of a plant can be broadly divided into two parts. Okay, it is divided into two parts, the root system and the shoot system. See children, the structure of a plant can be broadly divided into two systems. This is the root system, okay, root system and the shoot system. The root system consists of roots and its branches. Okay, the root system, this is the root system. The root system consists of roots and the branches. Okay, they are the branches of the root and it is generally below the soil. So the root system, it grows generally below the soil. This is the children's shoot system. The shoot system mainly contains stem. Okay, the shoot system contains stem, branches. Okay, they are the branches, leaves, flower and fruits. Okay, they are the parts of the shoot system. So plant consists of two parts, root system and shoot system. Root system always grow downward and shoot system always grow upward. Okay, the root system consists of root and its branches and the shoot system consists of branches. Okay, branches, leaf, flower and fruit. You will be amazed to know that no two kinds of plants in this world contain the same flower. Okay, no two kinds of plant contain the same flower. Okay, or leaves or fruits. Okay, we can identify a plant just by looking at any of these parts. तो हम उसके flower और leaves से पता उसको identify कर सकते हैं plant को. Okay, we can also classify plants on the basis of the color, okay, shape or size of their parts. So let us study the features of plant so that we can classify them easily. So children, the first part is root system. The part of the plant generally found under the soil is called a root. Okay, the root, it is generally found under the soil. The stem end in the roots, leaves prepare the food and transport it to roots which become thickened. A few of such roots are also used as food by human. So they are called the storing roots. Now functions of roots, children. The root anchor the plant firmly into the ground and prevent it from being blown away by wind or flown away by water. Okay, they also absorb water and nutrients from the soil for making food. So children, root, it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Okay, for making food. Leaves prepare food. Okay, and root absorb water and minerals. In some plants like turnip and beetroot, they store the food. So some roots store food like turnip and beetroot. Roots are mainly of two types. So children, see the diagram. The roots are of two types. taproot and fibrous root. So children, taproot means in plants having taproots, the stem elongates to form one long main root. So in taproot there is a main root, okay, and the lateral roots arise from it. So in plants having taproot, the stem elongates to form one long main root which goes deep down the earth. It contains branches which spread sideways, okay. It contains branches which spread sideways, इस तरीके से sideways spread होती है, and they are called the lateral roots. Radish, beetroot, mango, tea, gram all have taproots, okay. They are the examples of taproot. So radish, beetroot, mango, tea, gram all have taproots. Then second is fibrous root. This is fibrous root, okay. Fibrous root means they are thin and almost of equal size. So children, see, they are thin roots, ठीक है, and almost of equal size, and there is no main root. They all start from the base. ये जितनी भी fibrous root होती है, they start from the base. ये base से ही start हो जाती है. So they all start from the base of the stem and spread out. They are bushy in nature, okay. Fibrous root, they are bushy in nature because they grow in bushy. Grass, maize, rice, onion, sugarcane all have fibrous root. So they are the example of fibrous root. Example: grass, maize, rice, onion and sugarcane. So children, fibrous root, there is no main root, okay. They grow in clusters, okay, and they all are of almost equal size. Okay, example like grass, maize, rice, onion, sugarcane. Okay children, so clear children? Roots are classified into two groups, taproot and fibrous root. Now come to the next one, shoot system. So shoot system children, shoot system, it always grow upward, okay. Leaves, flower, branches, fruit, they are the parts of the shoot system. So they see this. Stem is the main shoot of a plant, okay. Stem, it is the main shoot of a plant. It keeps the plant upright, okay. Shoot system, it keeps the plant upright. ये plant को सीधा रखता है. And bears flowers, fruits and leaves, okay. उसमें क्या होते हैं, stem में क्या होता है, shoot system में क्या होता है, it bears flowers, fruits and leaves. We can classify plants on the basis of the height of the shoot system, okay. What they are? Herb, shrub and trees. So plants are classified on the basis of the height of the shoot system, okay. First is herb. Herb means children, if the plant has a green tender stem and if it is short, almost of your height, we call it a herb, okay. तो herbs means if the plant have green tender stem, जिन plants में जो stem जो है green होता है, okay, और short होता है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, herb. Generally herbs generally have their own flavor and scent and are therefore used for making medicines or as spices. So herbs, देखो, some herbs are used for medicines or spices. You can name a few spices used in our kitchen. Ask your mother for help, okay. Plants bearing grains are also herbs. Ginger, garlic, fennel, okay, soft, wheat, rice are herbs. Herbs do not have many branches, okay. So they all are the examples of herbs. Then shrubs. Shrubs means children, plants having a hard but thin stem, okay. Plants having a hard but thin stem are called shrubs, and they are taller than herbs. So shrubs, they are taller than herbs, okay. They have a hard but thin stem. They generally branch out from the base. Example: lemon, hibiscus, cotton, they all are shrubs. Then trees. Trees means plants which are tall, okay. Plants which are tall and have a thick woody stem are called trees, okay. So plants which are tall and have a thick woody stem are called trees. The main stem is very thick, okay, in trees and contains branches. It is called the trunk, okay. It is called the trunk of the tree. Example of trees like mango, banyan, teak are all trees. So some trees like coconut and palm do not have branches. Okay, coconut and palm tree, they do not have branches. Okay, so this is the classification of plants according to their height and according to their stem. Okay, so they are classified into three groups. What? Herbs, shrubs and trees. You might have found that there are some plants which do not fall under of the above categories. ओके, दे आर नॉट अपराइट. ये सीधे, कुछ ऐसे प्लांट्स होते हैं जो सीधे खड़े नहीं रह सकते हैं, बट स्प्रेड ऑन द ग्राउंड, जो ग्राउंड में स्प्रेड रहते हैं. दे हैव, जो ग्राउंड में स्प्रेड रहते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं चिल्ड्रन? दे हैव थिन वीक स्टेम्स. देयर स्टेम इज़ वेरी वीक. ओके, so such plants are called creepers. So they are called creepers. Okay, they spread on the ground and they have thin weak stem. Example: gourd, bitter gourd, mint. They are the examples of creepers. Okay, there are still some other plants which have a weak stem and need support. So some plants which are very weak, okay, and they need support to climb. So they climb on other trees or walls. Okay, so they are called climbers. So climbers means they have weak stem and they need support to climb. तो हैव यू एवर सीन अ मनी प्लांट? आपने देखा है मनी प्लांट? मनी प्लांट कैसे करके? इट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी वीक प्लांट. ओके, इट हैज़ द स्टेम इज़ वेरी वीक, इट नीड सपोर्ट टू क्लाइंब. तो विच टाइप ऑफ स्टेम डज इट हैव? तो फाइंड आउट हाउ इट होल्ड टाइट टू इट्स सपोर्ट. तो creepers develop special organs by which they cling to neighboring objects for support. तो जितने भी creepers होते हैं, they develop special organs. Okay, so they cling to the neighboring objects for support. Okay children, this much for today's class. Thank you.